Hey guys, a few years ago, OnePlus launched a mid-range smartphone, OnePlus X. But the users did not give much attention to the smartphone and OnePlus just discontinued this series. But now it seems that OnePlus once again wants to enter the mid-range smartphone market. I'm saying it because recently there have been some leaks about a mysterious smartphone from OnePlus, and these leaks are neither about OnePlus 8 nor OnePlus 8 Pro. It is being told that these leaks belong to a mid-range smartphone from OnePlus which will launch with OnePlus 8 series in 2020. This mid-range smartphone from OnePlus can be called as OnePlus 8 Lite. We've also got some renders of this OnePlus 8 Lite. So let's talk about the OnePlus 8 Lite. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to OnePlus 8 Lite. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. For this video we are keeping our like aim to 50 likes. I know you guys can complete it faster than the speed of light, so just do it. We've got these renders from the collaboration of Onleaks and 91 Mobiles. This upcoming OnePlus 8 Lite can be something like these renders, and these are very early renders of this smartphone. Here we can see both the back side and front side of this smartphone. It may have a display panel of 6.4 or 6.5 inches. We may see OLED display panel here according to the leaks, even though it's a mid-range smartphone. There's a cutout in the display for the front camera. This cutout is exactly in the top center of this smartphone. Apart from this, the display is exactly like a normal smartphone, that is, the display is not curved like the OnePlus 70 or OnePlus 70 Pro. It is a flat display. If we talk about the back panel, then the first thing that we notice here is the camera module. This camera module looks like the camera module of upcoming smartphones in the Samsung Galaxy S series. This is a squarish camera module where a dual lens camera setup can be seen. Along with this, an LED flash has also been given here. A laser module can also be seen on the side of the camera module, just like we saw in the renders of OnePlus 8. So here the camera setup seems very basic. Apart from this, the back panel is absolutely clean. We can see blue gradient color and the back panel will be a glass one. We don't get to see any fingerprint scanner here. That means we will get an in-display fingerprint scanner in the upcoming smartphone. Here we will also get an alert slider, which is a very good news. We don't see any 3.5mm headphone jack in these renders, so that's a very disappointing news for many users. It will have a Type-C port as well as support for OnePlus's fast charging. Apart from this, at the moment we don't know much about this OnePlus 8 Lite, but in the upcoming weeks we will definitely get to see some more leaks about this smartphone. So stay tuned for that. With that, we are at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.